Hi there, I'm looking on Google Maps and there's this strange thing right here on the ceiling, on the sky. This is Montello, Nevada, and here's what it says over here, and it's a Google map. There's the little yellow guy. I'll put a link to the address below, which is up here, the URL. I think that's totally weird. Of course, the sun looks weird at the ends and stuff. And if I go up and down, it's not there. But I'm not going to move it because I might not be able to find it again. I think it's bizarre. Let's see how far. I'm right by, here's what it looks like on the ground. Right by a railroad track. There's also this other weird little thing over here. That looks strange. That's all the closer I can get to it. Let's go back up to this thing. There it is. Oops. Doesn't that look weird? It could be something, it could be nothing. I'll have the link to the URL in the description box. Very odd thing. And the map, by the way, says 2014 Google. So it's not mine. Look at that right in there. Odd, also. One last look. All right, I'm grateful for you. Your